Hello students, welcome you all back to the problems of contract costing. Already I have prepared the theory part of this contract costing. If you have watched, then you come to know what are the techniques we have to apply in contract costing. So now I am going to start the problems on contract costing. So the problems depend on the theoretical part. Without understanding the theory, you cannot understand the problems. So my suggestion to the viewers, regular viewers, please go back to the video of theory of contract costing. Watch carefully that video, then only you can be able to understand the problems. Now, before starting the problems, I expect my viewers to have a hard copy of all the problems. I have provided all the problems in the link under my description. So go to the link, get a copy of all the problems, and then we can easily understand the problems of contract costing. So first, I am starting the short problems. Short problems on contract costing. First short problem you see. How much of profit, if any, would you allow to be considered in the following case? See here, in contract costing, the contract may not be completed at the end of the year. Some work is still to be completed, so it is called work in progress. So when the work in progress is there, we cannot ascertain the true profit. The profit which we get in a contract account is not the correct profit. Some profit we have to carry over to the next year. So we have to calculate the notional profit. A part of the notional profit will be transferred to P&L account and the remaining part will be transferred to reserve. So how much profit to be transferred to P&L account? It depends on what is the percentage of work completed. Percentage of work completed. In the theory session, I have already explained you, there are some rules given. If the work is completed up to 25%, no profit should be transferred to P&L account. If the work is completed over 25% but below 50%, then one third of notional profit into percentage of cash received. That will be the amount transferred to P&L account. If the work is completed over 50%, then 2/3 notional profit into 2/3 into percentage of cash received. This is the profit to be transferred to P&L account. Now in our problem, what is given? Contract cost 2,80,000. Contract cost 2,80,000. Contract cost means the expenditure incurred on the contract. The expenditure incurred on the contract is called contract cost. Then contract value. The contract value means contract price. The contract price 5 lakh. And then cash received 2,70,000. Cash received is given 2,70,000. Work uncertified. So uncertified work is given 30,000. Then deduction from bills by way of security 10%. Deduction from bills by way of security 10%. That means the contractee is withholding 10% as retention money. And this 10% will be paid on the completion of the contract. तो contractee जब भी पे करेगा 90% of work certified पे करेगा. 90% of work certified will be paid by the contractee. 10% is withholding. So deduction from bill is 10%. Profit to be transferred to P&L account is equal to the contractee pays 90% of work certified. Because contractee is holding 10%. Contractee is retaining 10%. That means how much he is paying? 90% he is paying. 90% of what? Work certified. तो एग्रीमेंट में ये है कि वर्क सर्टिफाइड, जो आर्किटेक्ट सर्टिफिकेट देगा वर्क सर्टिफाइड, उसका 90% कॉन्ट्रैक्टी विल पे, राइट? सपोज इफ द वर्क सर्टिफाइड इज 100, if work certified is 100, cash received will be 90 because 10% he is withholding. Retention money 10% है, तो 100 rupees work certified है, तो cash paid will be 90, right? Similarly, when cash received is 2,70,000, actual cash received is 2,70,000. So how much would be the work certified? 100 rupees work certified है, तो 90 rupees payment कर रहा contractee. That means contractor is receiving 90 rupees. When contractor has received 2,70,000, then how much would be the work certified? So 2,70,000 divided by 90 into 100, you will get 3 lakh. What is this 3 lakh? Work certified. तो प्रॉब्लम में वर्क सर्टिफाइड नहीं दिया, तो वर्क सर्टिफाइड मालूम करने के लिए कैश रिसीव्ड into 100 by 90. Cash received into 100 by 90 because 10% he is withholding. So 3 lakh rupees is the work certified. Now work certified 3 lakh, work uncertified 30,000. So total work in progress will become 3 lakh 30,000. So work in progress consists of work certified, work uncertified. Work certified is not directly given in the problem. We have calculated work certified. Work uncertified is given in the problem 30,000. So total work in progress 3,30,000 less contract cost. Contract cost means the expenditure incurred on the contract. Expenditure incurred on the contract, contract cost 2,80,000. So 3,30,000 work in progress, 2,80,000 is the contract cost. So remaining 50,000 is called notional profit, imaginary profit. Now percentage of work completed. कितना काम हो गया? Actually, what is the contract price? Contract value कितना है? 5 lakh है. And how much work has been certified by the architect? 3 lakh. 5 लाख रुपए के काम में से 3 लाख रुपए का सर्टिफिकेट दे दिया. Who has given certificate? Architect has given. So what is the percentage of work completed? Work certified by contract price into 100. Work certified is 3 lakh. Contract price is 5 lakh. So 3 lakh by 5 lakh into 100, 60%. In other words, we can say 60% of work has been completed by the contractor. Since the work is completed over 50%, अब rules में ये है कि 50% से ज़्यादा अगर work certify हो गया तो notional profit into 2/3 into percentage of cash received. This formula we apply to find out the profit to be transferred to P&L account. So notional profit into 2/3 into percentage of cash received. So notional profit is 50,000 into 2/3 into percentage of cash received. How much percentage of cash received? 90%. So we can take 0.9 or else you can take 90%. You can take 90% or you can take 0.9. Both way you will get the same answer. So 50,000 into 2/3 into 0.9, 30,000. That's all. So out of 50,000 rupees notional profit, 30,000 rupees will be transferred to P&L account. Remaining 20,000 rupees will be transferred to reserve. That is the first question, right? Now see the second problem. Calculate the amount of profit to be transferred to P&L account. Just like the previous problem, it is asking you to calculate how much profit to be transferred to P&L account. From the following particulars. Contract price 16 lakh. 16 lakh rupees का contract है. Cash received from the contractee being 70% of work certified 4,90,000. Cash received from the contractee is 4,90,000 and this 4,90,000 represents 70% of work certified. Previous problem 90% of work certified. Contractee has paid 90% of work certified. So what we have taken? Cash received into 100 by 90. Cash received into 100 by 90. अगर 90% पे करा तो 100 by 90 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. अगर 70% पे करा तो 100 by 70. तो work certified is equal to cash received into 100 by 70. So here work certified is equal to cash received. The cash received are given in the problem 4,90,000 into 100 by 70. You will get 7 lakh. So work certified is 7 lakh. One work uncertified is given in the problem 60,000. So total work in progress will become 7,60,000. So work certified or work uncertified दोनों को मिला लिए तो work in progress 7,60,000. Less total expenditure incurred on the contract is 6,40,000. In the problem it is given total expenditure incurred on the contract is 6,40,000. Subtract the notional profit 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is the notional profit. Percentage of work completed is equal to work certified by contract price into 100. So work certified 7 lakh. Here work certified we have calculated 7 lakh. Contract price is given in the problem 16 lakh. So percentage terms it comes to 43.75. It is below 50%. It is more than 25%. but below 50%. So profit to be transferred to P&L account is notional profit into 1/3. यहाँ 50% से ज़्यादा हो गया था. Here, in the previous first problem, 60% was the percentage of work completed. Work certified 60% था, तो यहाँ 2/3 लिए थे. अब यहाँ पर less than 50% है, तो 1/3. Notional profit into 1/3 into percentage of cash received. So notional profit is 1,20,000. 1/3 is in the formula, and percentage of cash received is 70%, 0.7. 70% cash received, 0.7. So multiply out, 28,000 rupees is the amount of profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. That's all. This is the end of second problem. Hello students, come on, we'll continue the problems on contract costing. So already in the previous video I have explained you all the details regarding the features of contract costing. And we have done two problems, short problems we have completed in the previous video. And those two problems are regarding how much profit to be transferred to P&L account, profit and loss account. Now see here, if the contract was completed, then the whole profit will be transferred to P&L account. Suppose if the contract is incomplete, that means work in progress is there, then some portion of the profit will be transferred to P&L account and remaining portion will be transferred to reserves. That is the rule. There are no hard and fast rules, but the accounting principles followed in contract costing is, if the contract is completed up to 25%, no profit should be transferred to P&L account. The whole profit should be transferred to reserve if the contract is completed up to 25%. If the contract is completed over 25% but up to 50%, then notional profit into 1/3 into percentage of cash received. By applying this formula, we can find out how much profit to be transferred to P&L account. If the contract is completed more than 50%, then notional profit into 2/3 into percentage of cash received. So these are the rules which are followed in cost accounting regarding profit to be transferred to P&L account. Already two problems we have done. Now I am starting the third problem. Hope that you have the hard copy of the problems from the link which I have given in the description. Now I am reading out the third problem. See carefully. Calculate the amount of profit transferable to P&L account from the following particulars. Again, we have to find out how much profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Contract price 25 lakhs. Cash received from contractee being 80% of work certified is 12 lakh. Work certified is not given, but we need work certified. तो यहाँ पर cash received दे दिया है. The cash received is 12 lakh rupees, which is 80% of work certified. Work certified we don't know. So we can calculate work certified is equal to cash received into 100/80. क्योंकि 80% cash receive करे, हमको 80% नहीं चाहिए, हमको 100% चाहिए. तो how much is the work certified? Cash received into 100/80. अगर 90% cash receive करते तो 100/90. अगर 70% कैश रिसीव करते हैं 100/70, तो कैश रिसीव्ड विल बी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100/80 टू गेट वर्क सर्टिफाइड. देन अनसर्टिफाइड वर्क इज 50,000. तो वर्क अनसर्टिफाइड एंड वर्क सर्टिफाइड ये दोनों को ऐड कर देने से आ जाएगा वर्क इन प्रोग्रेस. एक्चुअल एक्सपेंडिचर इनकर्ड ऑन द कॉन्ट्रैक्ट इज 10 lakh इंक्लूडिंग क्लोजिंग स्टॉक ऑफ मटेरियल at contract site. Here 10 lakh rupees is the expenditure incurred on the contract, but this 10 lakh includes the closing stock of material at site. कुछ material purchase करे थे लेकिन use नहीं हुआ अभी, unused material है, तो that closing stock will be deducted from total expenditure. तो 10 lakh rupees का expenditure है जिसमें closing stock at contract site is 40,000. 40,000 rupees का material अभी site पर पड़ा हुआ है, consume नहीं हुआ, तो this 40,000 will be deducted from 10 lakh to get actual expenditure incurred. So how the solution will be like this. Work certified 12 lakh rupees is given in the problem. Cash received problem है जो दिया cash received, this will be multiplied 100/80 to get work certified 15 lakh. So 15 lakh rupees is not given in the problem. We have calculated how multiply cash received with 100/80. Then work uncertified is given 50,000. So work in progress 15 lakh 50,000. Expenditure incurred on contract is 10 lakh rupees minus closing stock of material at site 40,000. तो contract cost हो गया 9,60,000. Contract cost का मतलब expenditure incurred on the contract. Now work in progress. Work in progress means 15,50,000. This is the work in progress. Minus contract cost, expenditure incurred on the contract 9,60,000. तो WIP में से contract expenditure निकाल देंगे तो we'll get notional profit, imaginary profit. So notional profit we got 9,60,000. Now percentage of work completed. How much work has been done? On this basis only we will take a decision how much profit to be transferred to P&L account. So percentage of work completed, formula work certified by contract price into 100. Work certified is given in the problem. We have calculated 15 lakh. 15 lakh rupees work certified. And contract price is given in the problem 25 lakh. It is given in the problem. तो 25 लाख रुपए का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, उसमें से वर्क सर्टिफाई जो हो गया 15 लाख, तो परसेंटेज टर्म्स इट कम्स टू 60%. सिंस द वर्क इज कंप्लीटेड ओवर 50%, 50% से ज्यादा काम हो गया, तो हाउ मच प्रॉफिट टू बी ट्रांसफर टू P&L अकाउंट? नोशनल प्रॉफिट इंटू 2/3 इंटू कैश इंटू परसेंटेज ऑफ कैश रिसीव्ड. सो हाउ मच नोशनल प्रॉफिट? 5,90,000 इंटू 2/3 इंटू हाउ मच परसेंटेज ऑफ कैश रिसीव्ड? 0.8. So we'll get 3,14,667. This is the profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. This is the third problem. Now see the fourth problem. Compute a conservative estimate of profit on a contract which is almost 80% complete. That means more than 50% complete. Same formula we are going to apply. From the following particulars. Total expenditure to date is 85,000. Up to date, 85,000 total expenditure incurred. This is the contract cost. Estimated further expenditure to complete the contract including contingency is 17,000. We don't require this one. This will be required only when the contract is almost completed. अगर पूरा खत्म हो गया 95%, 98% कॉन्ट्रैक्ट खत्म हो गया, थोड़ा सा बाकी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है 1 or 2% or 5%, then we can treat this as an almost completed. But here only 80% completed. So we are not going to take expected expenditure to be incurred. Contract price is 1,53,000, work certified 1 lakh, work uncertified 8,500. So directly given work certified and work uncertified, both are given. And cash received is 81,600. Only one small change is there. Work certified given, work uncertified given, total 1,08,000 minus expenditure incurred to date is 85,000. So notional profit we got 23,500. Since the work is completed over 50%, so profit to be transferred to P&L account is notional profit into 2/3 into cash received by work certified. In some problems, percentage of cash received is given. In some problem, percentage of cash received is not given, but cash received and contract price is given. Cash received and work certified is given. तो in that case, चाहे तो ये percentage of work completed लिखो, या नहीं तो कैश रिसीव्ड बाय वर्क सर्टिफाइड लिखो, दोनों से आंसर एक ही आएगा. फॉर्मूला दोनों सेम ही है. प्रॉब्लम में परसेंटेज ऑफ वर्क कंप्लीटेड दिया, दैट्स व्हाई आई हैव टेकन परसेंटेज ऑफ कैश रिसीव्ड. बट हियर परसेंटेज ऑफ कैश रिसीव्ड इज नॉट गिवन. कैश रिसीव्ड एंड वर्क सर्टिफाइड इज गिवन. कैश रिसीव्ड एंड वर्क सर्टिफाइड इज गिवन. सो आई एम मल्टीप्लाइंग कैश रिसीव्ड बाय वर्क. ये दोनों फॉर्मूले से एक ही आंसर आएगा. प्रॉब्लम में जैसा इंफॉर्मेशन दिया वैसा फॉर्मूला हम चेंज करेंगे. तो कैश रिसीव्ड बाय वर्क सर्टिफाइड, कैश रिसीव्ड 81,600, वर्क सर्टिफाइड इज 1 lakh. तो you will get the answer 12,784 is the profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. Now see the fifth problem. At 31st December 1997, 4,86,000 has been expended upon a contract. Expended का मतलब expenditure incurred. एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट के ऊपर टोटल एक्सपेंडिचर जो हो गया, खर्चा हो गया 4,86,000, and the value of work certified is 5,25,000. Certified 5,25,000. The cost of work performed but not yet certified, uncertified work is 15,000. The contract has reached a stage wherein future expenses can be estimated with a fair degree of accuracy. And a contract almost खत्म हो गया, अब आने वाले कुछ दिन में खत्म हो जाएगा, तो we can be able to estimate with accuracy how much expenditure we have to incur in future. And such expenses are estimated of 1 lakh. अब estimate कर लिए कि almost 4,86,000 we have already incurred and still 1 lakh rupees more we have to incur. Then And however, a provision of 2% on contract value is desired for contingencies. So 1 lakh rupees to expenditure hoga. Apart from that, 2% of the contract price has to be kept in contingency. Contingency का मतलब emergency. हम कितना भी estimate करेंगे future is completely uncertain. We are expecting that 1 lakh rupees will be incurred, but what is the guarantee that definitely 1 lakh rupees will be incurred in future? There is no guarantee. There is no guarantee. So we want to keep some emergency, contingency. How much contingency? 2% of the contract value. जो भी contract price रहेगा उसका 2% contingency बोल के रखेंगे emergency के लिए. And the contract price is 7 lakh and the payment received till date is 5 lakh. Calculate the profit to be taken to profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 1990. This is the first problem where the contract is almost completed. Only a small part is left. And we can estimate with accuracy how much expenditure we have to incur in future and how much contingency we have to make. So, how to find out the profit to be transferred to P&L account? See here. Expenditure already incurred is 4,86,000. Already incurred 4,80,000. Expenditure to be incurred is 1 lakh. Still 1 lakh rupees more. And contingency 2% of 7 lakh 14,000. So total estimated expenditure is 6 lakh rupees. Add up the three. These are the expenditure already incurred. This is to be incurred and this is the contingency. The total expenditure comes to 6 lakh rupees. Now contract price. The contract price is 7 lakh rupees and the total estimated expenditure is 6 lakh. Contract price 7 lakh and the total expenditure is 6 lakh. The estimated profit is 1 lakh. So total expenditure में expenditure already incurred, expenditure to be incurred and contingency तीनों को मिला लिया तो total estimated expenditure. तो estimated profit आ गया 1 lakh. Since the work is almost completed, so profit to be transferred to profit and loss account is estimated profit into work certified by contract price. Estimated profit into work certified by contract price. Estimated profit 1 lakh rupees. Work certified 5 lakh 25,000. Sorry, 5 lakh 25,000 is the work certified, and contract price is 7 lakh. So if you multiply, then you get 75,000 rupees is the profit to be transferred to profit and loss account. So this is the first problem where the contract is almost completed. तकरीबन खत्म हो गया तो फिर ये प्रोसीजर फॉलो करेगा. कैसा मालूम होगा? When it is given in the problem that the contract has reached a stage where with full accuracy we can estimate how much expected expenditure to be incurred in future and how much contingency we have to apply. अगर ये दे दिया तो समझ जाना contract almost completed है, then we apply this formula. Otherwise we have to apply this formula. Notional profit into 2/3 into percentage of cash receipt. That's all. So we have completed problem number 5.